In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create groups in Outlook. So I'm here with Outlook open on my computer, and the first thing I'm going to do is move down to the navigation icons and click on the people icon. As soon as I click it, Outlook switches over to the contacts section, and now I can see my contacts list on the screen. Now that I'm in the people view, I move my mouse up toward the top menu and click on new contact group. This opens a new window where I can create the group. Right at the top I see the name field, so I click inside it and type the name I want for the group. This could be something like team, clients, or any name that helps identify the group. Once the group name is entered, the next step is to add members. So I move up and click on add members. When I click it, Outlook gives me the option to choose people from my contacts. I go through the list and select the members I want to include in the group. I click on each contact I want to add, and once they're selected, they're added as members of the group. After selecting the members, I can see them listed inside the group window, confirming they've been added. This means whenever I send an email to this group later, Outlook will automatically include everyone listed here. Now that everything is set, I move up and click Save and Close. As soon as I click it, the group is saved and added to my contacts list. The window closes and the new contact group now appears along with my other contacts. And that's it. I opened Outlook, clicked the people icon, selected new contact group, typed a group name, added members, and clicked Save and Close. The group is now created and ready to use whenever I want to send emails to everyone in that group at once.